soon as we got some bullshit going on. Chicken done. Not to be overdone. Extra done. Jacked up. I ain't finished. So anyway, we'll get back to that. What we about to do is have some garden fresh, and I mean garden fresh, from my aunt O'Darris. I'm named after zucchini, squash, and onions, leeks, green onions. And I am washed them off already, sliced them open so that I can season them up and let them cook on this grill so they can burn up first. So I'm going to arrange them in my homemade grill pan, which I'd rather use than an actual pan, because I want the flavor in here as much as possible. You see, I got my little onions down in here. And what I'm going to do is make me a mixture of saute sauce spices to put inside of here, pour over them. Checking that grill. About to tear my chicken up. I had some chicken in that foil that I wanted to sort of bake. I did wash my hands. I should have put it on tape, but I was trying to get water for the grill. My onion so this is for flavor, and this will give me the most bang, and I'll split it open some more just to make my sauce right when I start to roll my veggies in it. And I'm going to steam these on the grill. I'm going to slice up, cut up, and do a little bit more to them, but this is just prep. And then we're going to make some barbecue sauce, and I got the ingredients out on the stove. And actually, I'm going to show my recipe. That's not everything, but some of it. I'm getting ready, so I'll be back.